back, beauty. So today's video is going to be all about the rice water. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your notifications just so you know when these videos are coming out. When it's hot and fresh, you don't want to fall behind because I just keep on moving. I've already done 2 videos on the rice water. If you guys haven't seen it, I'm gonna go ahead and post the first one up top. For the first video, it has where the method originates from. It has the details of the benefits from the rice water and also my little recipe. Now, I have tweaked my recipe because my first recipe, it makes a large batch. So I pretty much brought it down to just using 1 cup of water and pretty much like a 1/4 cup of rice. Just to make it more simple because I don't want to have too much rice water in the fridge. In regards to the recipe, you guys can use whatever you like. A lot of people are asking what type of rice should they use. Should it be organic, brown, basmati? You can use whatever you like. When I first started, I was using brown rice, just regular. So it wasn't organic, just regular brown. And then I switched to white rice and I noticed a big difference in my hair. I noticed that the brown rice was a little bit more drying to my hair and the white rice was a lot more soft. But just know that brown for me, it's a little bit more intense than the white. The white is a lot more softer and I prefer personally the white. And I've been using regular white, parboiled white rice. It's not organic, just regular white rice. Of course they say organic is the best. You guys just use whatever you prefer and whatever you like in your hair. Don't make it so complicated to the point where you're stressing yourself out. Like I said, the hair growth is for everybody. Everyone uses different routines. Just find what works for you and don't worry about what other people are using. Just use what you got, and if it doesn't work, use something else. That's it. And for the second video, which is posted up top, details what I've been using the rice water for, what are my favorite ways, and my least favorite ways. Also, I do a length check in that video. So for this video, I'm just going to talk to you guys about my thoughts, my updates, and of course, what we all want to know, growth. Very important. After the second video, I have used the rice water as my leave-in. For the month of September, every 7 days, I've been washing my hair, and then I apply the rice water, and then I apply my styling products, and then I install a protective style. With my own hair, no extensions, nothing, just with my own hair. When I tell people I use the rice water as my leave-in, they're like, do you rinse it out? No, the rice water is my leave-in. If you guys never seen any of my styles, check out my Instagram and you'll see I always post what I use with my hairstyles. Another way as well, I've been using the rice water as my scalp massage. Not every week, but probably about 2 to 3 times for the month of September. I've added the rice water to my scalp massage. You guys know I scalp massage every day, just with my hands, every single day. And some days I will add an oil to that or aloe vera juice, or it could be my rice water. So I don't use products every day. That's too much on my scalp. I just use my good old hands, okay? But at least 2 to 3 times this month of September, I've sprayed rice water onto my scalp and then some aloe vera juice, and then I massage my scalp. For my results and findings on the rice water for this month, I have noticed, and another friend has told me as well, that my hair seems to be getting thicker. Not like really thick, but when you have like low to medium density hair, you know, having thick hair, it's not so much in your cards. You can tell when your hair gets thicker. It's pretty much easy to notice because you feel it getting a little bit more heavy. As well too, when your hair gets longer, it feels heavy, but when your hair gets thicker, you can feel it. Especially when I do my scalp massages, I can feel my hair getting thicker. So that is one thing that I notice more besides the growth. The growth, I find it's not as what people make it out to be, because you know, when you hear rice water, people are like, oh, I've been using it for so long, it really helps to grow my hair. Keeping your hair cleansed, hydrated, moisturized and the proper protein balance, your hair is gonna grow, especially if you do, you know, your regular trims. For someone like me who's so consistent with their hair regimen, I don't see such a big difference when using rice water. Now, for someone who doesn't take care of their hair that much and were to use rice water and they see like a lot of growth, then that is something that looks like, whoa, okay, the rice water is growing your hair. But for me, adding rice water to my regimen, I don't see much of a difference. I feel like I see more of a difference when I use my henna versus the rice water. That being said, rice water definitely, I believe, has helped me to get a bit of thickness into my hair. My hair is still pretty much soft, as in my hair shedding has not decreased. I have noticed sometimes I get a little bit more hair shed when using rice water. And you guys know, when it comes to hair shedding, I don't want to see my hair go down the drain. So that is why, like, I'm really strict with my regimen, because I'm not all about hair shed. Like, I know it's natural to shed hairs, but there's a certain line to the point where you're like, okay, is this unnecessary hair shed? Which is why I stick to washing my hair every 5 to 7 days. Because after the 7th day, even after the 6th day, it's going to be unnecessary hair shed. My hair is really nice and soft as well. Now, for definition, for sure, it doesn't define my hair as much. Henna gives me some nice definition. Of course, the reason why I compare the two, because, you know, henna, it helps to strengthen your hair as well, right? The rice water, it's a strengthening treatment too. So I would have thought, you know, it would have given me a little bit more of a definition for my curl pattern. Honestly, I miss my henna. I miss my henna. I've been doing my henna mask for once a month, and like, my hair just loves it. So I'm gonna be going back to using my henna tea. You guys know my henna tea. I have a quick little recipe up there. So for now, instead of using rice water every 7 days, you know, as my leave-in or as my my scalp massage or as my pre-poo, whatever, I'm going to be using rice water pretty much just twice a month now to do a rice water rinse. That's it. Because it is the end of the month, it is time for me to clarify, and I'm going to be following up with the maximum hydration method. If you guys haven't seen that video, please check that box up top, and do not get confused about the methods I do with my hair. It's very simple. If you guys have any questions, or if you guys have any questions, you need to clarify anything, just leave me a comment. Talk to me. I'm human. Like, talk to me, okay? I will answer, okay? Sometimes I don't always answer right away. Please do not jump down my throat. I do have a life here, but I will answer your questions, okay? So it's time to clarify, and then I'm going to do my length check, and then that's it. I will be coming back with another rice water update, but not for now. Like I said, because I'm only going to be doing it twice in a month. So I don't know how much difference I'm going to be seeing, but for sure you guys, I'm going back to henna. My henna tea, that's babe. So enough talking, let's get into this. The video on the left is from the first rice water video back in July, and the one on the right is as of today's date. So obviously my hair did grow, no complaints there, but we shall see. But for now, we're going to be taking a break, but I will definitely see you guys for the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.